Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. We have started third chapter of ninth mathematics. It's our first lecture, and in the first lecture we are going to discuss about the conversion of a number into scientific form. When a number is given in standard form and we have to convert it into scientific form or a scientific notation. In the first case, we are going to discuss that how to convert a number and scientific notation if that number is greater than 0. Since, for example, we have a number that is 7800 which is greater than 10, then how we will convert such a number into scientific notation? It should be kept in mind that such a number can also be written as 7800.0. It can also be written as. Now we know that what is scientific form? Scientific form is basically the conversion of a number. For example, we have a number and the conversion of a number to such a form, 10 power n. To write such a number in this form, that is the conversion of scientific notation. That is, for example, we have such a number which is in standard form. Now, if we convert it into this form, then it means that we have converted that number into scientific notation. Now, here what is A? A is equals to or greater than 1 but less than 10. It lies between that A must be greater than or equals to but less than that of 10. Where is n? N is an integer. N is an integer. Now let's start the conversion of such a number into this form. While converting 7800, first of all we know that the point lies at last. Now we should have to place that point. Now we should have to place that or move that point and place it there after the first non-zero digit, and place where we have to place this point, we have to move this point and place it there after the first non-zero digit. After the first non-zero digit, that is equals to 7. So we have to place it after 7. 7.8. 7.8 multiplied by 10 raised to power. From here we have to write n. Now through how much digit we have moved that point? Through how many digits we have moved that point? 1, 2, 3. We have moved that point through how many digits? Through 3 digits. Now, as we know that n is an integer, so now here we should have to discuss it that it's a positive integer or negative integer. It depends upon the direction of movement of the point. If the point moves from right to left, then it will be positive. If we move the point in such a direction that it directs from right to left, then the integer will be positive. Then it will be written as 10 power 3. In negative, we will discuss there. So it should be kept in mind once again that we have moved the point through how many digits? Through 3 digits. So we should have to place 3 here, 10 power 3. Now it will be positive or negative, then it depends upon the direction of movement. Its direction is from right towards left, so the integer will be positive. Integer will be positive. And in the first case, we should have to place the point where we should have to place the point after the first non-zero digit. We should have to move the point and place it where we have to place it after the first non-zero digit. And multiplied by 10 raised to power 3. So 3 represent that we have moved the point through 3 digits, and its direction is from right to left, so the symbol will be positive. So we have converted such a number into scientific form. So 7800 in standard form is equals to 7.8 multiplied 10 raised to power 3 and scientific form or scientific notation. Now let's discuss the conversion of those point into scientific, those numbers into scientific notation if that number lies between 0 and 1, 0 and 10, if those numbers lies between 0 and 10. Now let's discuss that we have that number that is x equals to for example v 0.00729. Now we have discussed that we should have to place the point after the first non-zero digit, so we should have to place the first non-zero digit is 77.2 multiplied 10 raised to power n. So from here we should have to find out n, the value of n. Now we have moved the point through how many digits? 1, 2, 3. We moved the point through 3 digits, so it will be 3. But it will be positive integer or negative integer. It depends upon the direction of movement. As the point moves from left to right, so in such a case it will be negative. Its direction will be, its symbol will be negative. Its symbol will be negative. Once again, we have a number 0.00729 and we are interested to convert it into scientific form or scientific notation. So first of all we should have to move that point and place it after the first non-zero digit, and place it after the first non-zero digit, that is 7. So we should have to place it after the first, we have placed it after the first non-zero digit, that is 7.2 multiply 10 raised to power 3. So multiply 10 raised to power through how many digits we have moved the point? 1, 2, 3. Through 3 digits we have moved the point, so it will be 3. So it will be positive 3 or negative 3. It depends upon the direction of movement of point. So if the point moves from left to right, from left to right, then its symbol will be negative. But if in the previous question we have discussed that if that point moves from right to left, then it will be positive. So we have converted such a number that is 0.00729 equals to 7.2, and to which form? And scientific notation, which is in standard form. It's in standard form. And the desired notation was scientific notation. Or scientific form. Dear students, if you are facing any kind of difficulty in such a topic, then your response will be highly appreciated and you are kindly requested to solve the remaining questions of exercise 3.1. Thanks for watching.